The ones least responsible for heat stress are also the most affected by it, the world's children.
India is going to be facing increasing number of heat waves year after year. This year is probably the coldest year of the rest of our children's life.
Heat waves are increasing in magnitude, duration, and frequency. Climate change caused 26 extra days of extreme heat in the last year.
Geographical conditions ऐसी हैं कि जब गर्मी पड़ती है तो बहुत भीषण गर्मी पड़ती है और टेम्परेचर ऐसा होता है कि अप्रैल और मई के करीब तो जाकर के वो अबव 45 हो जाता है।
इस बार भी बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी पड़ी है और बच्चे बहुत परेशान होते हैं।
स्कूल से जाते थे तो गर्मी बहुत लगती थी कि कैसे आएंगे, बहुत धूप होती है।
मतलब यदि बच्चा आएगा ही नहीं तो पढ़ेगा क्या, और इस गर्मी की वजह से बच्चा बहुत कम आ पाते हैं।
And that is a call for urgent action.
Built on secondary research on how heat impacts students, AEEE surveyed 80 schools in Ajmer and Lucknow, revealing that 81% of students experience thermal discomfort in their classrooms during the summer months. With heat waves rising, these insights emphasize the critical need for targeted interventions.
We have had times when we have had to close schools because of the fog, the smog, and high air pollution days. The day is not far when we probably have to change our school schedules to accommodate the rising temperatures. It is extremely important, therefore, to make sure that thermally comfortable environments are increasingly advocated in schools. Children are comfortable and are able to give their maximum potential in terms of learning outcomes.
AEEE Sahara program is designed to transform India's schools where children spend most of their day into thermally comfortable environment. Schools, especially in the hinterlands, struggle to adopt sustainable cooling measures due to budgetary constraints and a lack of awareness about available solutions. Sahara aligns with India's cooling action plan by focusing on sustainable cooling solutions. This approach aligns with our commitment to reducing energy consumption and environmental impact without compromising comfort. The program is technology agnostic and supports school-specific solutions like energy-efficient fans and evaporative coolers.
Under the Sahara program, AEEE partnered with Symphony Limited to support successful deployments of evaporative air coolers in 2 schools of Ajmer and Lucknow.
यही सिम्फनी और AEEE के सहयोग से जब ये डक्टिंग सिस्टम हमारे यहाँ पर लगा, तब 3 कमरे हमारे चूज किए गए थे जो कि ऊपर के थे और उन 3 कमरों में इसको लगाया गया।
जब से ये लगाए बच्चों में एक नई खुशी आई है और वो ये चाहते हैं कि इन 3 कमरों में मैम हम बैठेंगे, हमें मतलब एडजस्ट करना कि कौन सी क्लास को यहाँ पे बिठाया जाए। मतलब एक होड़ सी लगी हुई है।
जब से कूलर लगे पढ़ाई में बहुत अच्छे तरह से मन लगता है। मैं क्लासेस अटेंड करती हूँ, सारे लेक्चर अटेंड करती हूँ, मैम पे ध्यान देती हूँ, मैम जो पढ़ाती है उस पर ध्यान देती हूँ।
Looking ahead, we must integrate thermal comfort into national education policies, secure government budgets, and promote sustainable cooling practices through local capacity building. Strengthening and expanding Sahara will ensure a conducive environment for learning in schools and protect our children in an increasingly hot world.